Alright, so how did you write I to the 10th power? I to the 5th and I to the what? Okay. I was hoping you would use I to the 4th power. That's okay. You said I to the 5th times I to the 5th power. Class, is that okay?
Yes.
Is it okay if I do something like this? I squared to the 5th power. Is that the same, class?
Yeah.
This would still give me I to the 10th, and this would still give me I to the 10th. Just so, what is I squared? I squared equals -1. This is an odd number, right? So think of it as -1 to the 1st power. Is that odd? And that equals what, class?
Negative 1.
-1. John B, pick a number. Tell us what's right.
Equals I4
What is I to the 4th power? And I to the 5th power? What did you get? Echo?
radical negative.
Or we can just leave it as I. And you'll get something. Your answer is just I, or square root of -1. Now let's do square root of -1. I to the 5th power, you could do I to the 4th times I. I to the 4th power is 1. So 1 times I is square root of -1. So I to the 5th power is square root of -1. Whoops. Not a negative. That's my radical sign. Do you like it? Yeah. Thank you. I to the 6th, I to the 4th times I squared. I 4th is 1. I squared is -1. 1 times -1 is -1. I to the 7th, I would have done I to the 4th, I to the 3rd. I to the 4th is 1. I to the 3rd power is -I, so this will just be -I. I to the 8th power, I to the 4th to the power of 2. I to the 4th is 1, and 1 squared is just 1. This one I can do I to the 8th power times I to the 3rd power. I to the 8th power is 1. I to the 3rd power is -I. And this will equal -I. And I to the 12th power is just I to the 4th to the 3rd power, right? Power rule of exponents, 4 times 3 is 12. So I to the 4th power is 1. 1 to the 3rd power is +1. What pattern did you guys recognize? You see that they're counting by 4s? And the answers are just repeating. Do you see this? So I'm going to show you guys how this is a method that you need to find I to the 49th power. We'll do that tomorrow. Have a good day.